Morning, brothers and sisters. It is 9:09 a.m. Central Standard Time on January 12th. I hope everything is going well for you. We are looking at our ozone layer. We're going to start off with the air quality. It is really bad up here in Alaska. All along this area, we've also had activity going on over here with earthquakes lately. And we know that this whole area is riddled with volcanoes. So that is not going to help their situation whatsoever. So ozone layers are very high. You can see they're over 400, just completely off the charts. And we're going to drag ourselves over here into Canada and the US, if this one will actually let me. Sorry, slow folks. So this is what it's looking like here. 342, Toronto 347. Anything north of that is 355. Once you get up here into northern Quebec, that's when you start getting off the charts. So it is a high level for people, most people in Ontario and east. It's something to be concerned for. If you're over in Iceland and Greenland, you're on deck. It's coming your way. St. John's, look at that, 437. Ouch. That stinks. Iceland and Greenland, this is all blowing up, so it's going to be coming right over here at you. So please be careful. This is Greenland, this is Iceland, so it's all coming your way. Over here in northern Norway, Sweden, and Finland, you're definitely in the high numbers. You're probably gonna be like around 400. Let's see here. Yep, 412. England, Ireland, Scotland, you guys got a little vortex kind of blowing it away from you, so you guys are actually getting, you lucky buggers, you. And then looks like we got a nice concentration here over by Greece and Bulgaria, Turkey, even over here into Russia. There's a pocket, but of course it definitely gets bigger over here. Georgia's got it coming your way because the wind is blowing it towards you. And then, yeah, we get over here into northern China, northeastern China. We got some high numbers here. 433, and up here into Russia. 437, in this little pocket right over here off the coast. 452. And of course that comes right over here to Alaska, where we got this string of volcanoes going off right over here along the Tectonic Ridge. So let's go check out our PM 2.5. PM 2.5 is just scattered across the whole globe pretty equally, actually, with the exception of over here in India and China, and here in Africa it's a little more concentrated. That plus Milan. Let's go check out these concentrated areas real quick. So near Gloucestershire, we're looking at 11 meters cubed. Over here in London, we're looking at about 17, which is getting on the higher side. 10 is actually something to be taking concern and action about, I think. 41 here in northern France, Milan. Judas Priest, 80s. Ouch, that's not good. Anything over 10 meters cubed, 10 meters cubed actually increases your cancer by 33%. So do the math on that, folks. There's no safe levels of PM 2.5. It's just time frame of exposure. Always remember that. Try and be outside as little as possible when you're over in these areas. I'm gonna say a hot pocket. Hot pockets. So then let's see what we got going on down here in Nigeria. Nigeria's in the 60s, so that's not good. Let's see, Ghana, we're looking at 60. Yeah, that's not good. Let's come over here and check out Pakistan and India. Goodness gracious, and China. Right up here in the northern parts. See? Oh my gosh, 140. Man, screw me running sideways. That would suck. 150. 151 I saw. You guys, oh my goodness. So if you know anybody, or if you're over here in northern India, near the Pakistani border, please be careful. Let's check out over here near Bangladesh, where we've got high numbers. We're looking at 138. And well, it looks like it drops a little bit down in a little bit of relief over here near Nepal, but still not that good. I mean, we're still really high in my opinion. That's way too high. And then let's give a little looksy-wooksy over here along the China coast. 117. About over here, 128, 194, 102. Uh-oh. Guys, protect your package. Let's check out Bangkok. 90. I saw 90. Yeah, that's not good. Let's check out our nitrous dioxide. For that, I do need to take a look at Australia. Our friends down under, they're looking at southwestern Australia. We're looking at 42 meters cubed. And up here, anybody know what's up here? Exmouth? Yeah. You guys remember that huge star fort, the U.S. military base? It looks like a gigantic six-pointed star, Star David. Right there, 42 meters cubed. Yeah, choke on that, buggers. Alright, now let's check out our nitrous dioxide levels. There's an overall look at our map of what our nitrous dioxide levels are. So, yeah, that's not good. This one actually kind of pops up a little bit weird on me. It's down here in South Africa. They normally don't show very often. Australia actually is showing up a little bit more lately, which surprises me. Again, the same southwestern corner of Australia. Let's see what you're looking at. 13, so you're not too bad. Not too bad at all, actually. I think 16 was the highest, so that's good. Oh, this isn't good though. We'll get into. Let's break this down a little bit. These are our nitrous dioxide levels for the United States. Go ahead and hit pause so that you can kind of get a generalized area for your location, so you can see what they're at. Of course, Los Angeles is reporting 45.91, but just off the coast here, where the Cascadia subduction zone is, we're reading 90.33, right along the tectonic plate. Where there's volcanic activity. Ain't that interesting? They're showing 38, I'm reading 45, so definitely get onto windy.com and take a look for your particular area. I mean, you got Dallas here. I don't know why they don't have anything for Tulsa, but let's just check it out. 15, okay, I don't want to say I can take a breath of relief, but I guess I could. Let's take a little gander north, and let's take a look at Canada. Toronto's looking at 21.45, Detroit 28.27, Chicago 35.02. So, yeah, that's not good. We're starting to gain up. Salt Lake is 46.3, Denver, Colorado's 28.10, and I don't know why this area is pretty hot and heavy all of a sudden. There is like nothing here. I used to live in Wyoming, folks, and trust me, there is nothing in this area. And this area is coming up with 59.46. I bet you there's some volcanic activity going on over here. Here in Pretoria, we're looking at 54.89, not 16.16. Just east of you, it's way higher, and it is blowing your way. So take caution down there, folks. And here we are looking at Greater Europe. We're looking, looks like Milan. It doesn't have it shown, but Milan is right here, and it is at 108 and 109. So, yeah. They're definitely going to be the all-time loser for the day for high numbers. Oh, 110. If we want to take high numbers as the winner, they win. London, you're looking at 30.87. And over here in Gloucestershire, we're looking at about 11. So definitely more calm areas. I'd be happy with that. But look at this over here. Sheripovets. It says 110. 0.62. I bet I can get higher numbers than that if I try. Yep, there's 112. 113, 114. Yeah, that's not good. I'm going to say 114. We'll just call, let's just call that 115. It's close enough. Good enough for the girls I work with. That's not good. So, yep, these are all of our big numbers for our bigger cities. So, if you happen to see anything that's near you, please take note. Don't really see any. Astana 39. Where are we here? 83. So just south of Astana, we're looking at 83. Pavlodar 58. What is this little jaunt over here? That's pretty dark there too. 93. Between Abakan and Barnaul. Let's go down a little bit. Yes, I'm kind of dancing around India. Because I already know it's going to be bad over here. Alright, let's just get into it. Kuwait, they're already reading 135.134.95. Dohan, 68.31. What is this little pocket right here? That looks nasty. 110. Looks way worse than that, though, doesn't it? Yep, 110, 120. Up here northeast of... Oh, come on. This thing is really wanting to drag on me. 109. east of Tehran. So that's not good. That is off the charts. 100 is as high as it goes, supposedly. Jeddah, 84. Lahore, look at this. Lahore is even, they're just recording straight out 149. Judas Priest. That ain't good. I wonder if I can get it higher. Oh, I don't even want to try, to be honest with you. That just wrenches my guts to know how high it is. Oh my gosh, 157. Ugh. That's just not good, people. 151. Please keep people in your prayers. 153. Ugh. Please keep people in your prayers. There's so much going on. We're just being poisoned. Just plain and simple. Look at these numbers. 113. Ugh. These people are being poisoned. Whether it's by industrial, volcanic activity, or, chemtrailing, whatever. Call it what you want. 110 right over here in this little crook east of Dunbad. I want to, let's see, get a little closer to see what it's by. Kolkata. Kolkata, India. You're at 107. Actually, it looks like they're showing 110. Yep, 110. That's just great. Let's move ourselves over here near Hong Kong. Yeah, that's a lie. 57, my butt. 112. Yeah, double the if you're in Hong Kong, whatever they tell you number, just double it and you'll be on the safe side. 115. Yeah, double it. Yeah, that's not good. Alright folks, let's move on to some other fun stuff. Real quick, we'll just actually also do our nitrous oxide levels for Bangkok. The most honest reporting I've seen. It is literally 88.33. Good job, Bangkok, Thailand. In the 9th, we took on 41 to 42 centimeters cubed, so they keep managing to change these numbers around on us. And looks like we've also got, this is today, right about now, and we've got another spike coming in on us right here on the 15th when it gets up real high, and it looks like we're going to be getting about 45 centimeters cubed of plasma. It's kind of funny how it shoots out this way, but yet we managed to get some of it this way. This blue dot is the Earth, of course, so yeah, that's fun stuff. And we did manage to have one hell of a pop come off of our sun early this morning on the 12th. Oh look, there's a little friend there. How you doing, buddy? But here it comes. There's a little guy, and there she is. Pretty good sized pop. Not even gonna lie. Comes off and goes in, oh look, all directions. That's interesting. Uh-oh. You see this here? You see this here? This is actually coming at us. That's right. Oh look, they blotted out one of our little friends. They didn't want us to see him. Hey little buddy, there's his wings, there's the head, there's the tail. And his little fla-la-la-la coming out behind him. This is actually, this looks like it's coming right at us. It is like a somewhat halo effect, not complete, but a half halo. It looks like it is coming in our direction. Wait a minute. Look at that. You see that? It's not moving. Watch this. It didn't move. What is that? Oh, we got something here. Oh, this might be one of their classical moves of, hey, look over here, not over there. That looks like a pretty solid round object there to me. Don't you think, folks? Oh, yeah. I'll have to do a follow-up video and show you guys LASCO C2 and C3, but that's what we're looking at right there. Fun stuff. Not really. This kind of sucks. I was actually enjoying a break. But we'll see what happens. God bless you guys. And remember, love is the only way forward. No fear. Eyes open.